What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new edition of Side Dish. So for this episode, we're going to be making one of my favorite summer drinks, which is Bourbon Slushies. If you follow me on social media, you've seen it a few times. And so I'm going to get you prepared for summer 2019, so we're going to make some Bourbon Slushies. So as you see, I already have about 3/4 cups of white sugar. I don't need a ton of sugar because some of the other ingredients I'm adding also have sugar. I'm going to throw in my cup of bourbon. One can of frozen orange juice concentrate. Make sure I get it all out. Some Tropicana lemonade. Actually, it's supposed to be frozen lemonade concentrate, but I couldn't find it in the store. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna throw some regular lemonade. I'm actually gonna put a link to the recipe, the original recipe I used, in the description. And I just make some slight modifications to it. Throw in some sweet tea. And last but not least, pineapple juice. I can tell this is a big ass can of pineapple juice. There we go. Again, it's supposed to be a can of pineapple juice, but I couldn't find a small can, so we're just gonna use this big ass can of pineapple juice. I'm just gonna break up the orange juice concentrate. So after I get this all mixed together, we're gonna put it in another pitcher and then put it in the freezer for 24 hours. And then you scoop it out and you add your favorite lemon lime soda to your cup. Excuse me. And when this freezes, we'll finish it off. You could probably use crushed ice as well if you just didn't want to wait 24 hours. You could probably just make the mixture and put it over some crushed ice. But honestly, I feel like that's cheating. I feel like you're missing out on what makes this really good, because since a bourbon is so strong, it doesn't freeze properly. You know, it doesn't freeze all the way. So it just kind of makes it a slushie without much effort, which is really nice. It smells really good too. This has easily become one of my favorite drinks. I think within the past year and a half, I've cooked so much with bourbon, so I think bourbon is now like my favorite alcohol to cook with. Let's see if I got it all mixed together. A little bit more. And also when it freezes, it becomes sweeter. I guess, everything kind of, joins together. It's really good. Like, you have to add nothing else to it. It's a very relaxing drink. And it hits hard. Like, you have a couple and you'll feel them. There you go. It's just about mixed together. So that's our mixture for the bourbon slushie. You can see it. So I'm going to transfer it to a different pitcher and then put it in the freezer. Then after 24 hours, we're going to come back and we'll finish it off. So don't move a muscle. I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. We have our finished bourbon slushie. Actually, it's not quite finished. So the last thing you do, excuse me, finish it with your favorite lemon lime soda. I'm just going to use Sprite. I'm just going to take a spoon, I'm just going to mix it in together. And then I garnished my drink with an orange wheel. And there you go. So here is our finished bourbon slushie. So thank you for checking out the newest edition of Side Dish. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you all think. And of course, share it. Let people know if you really like the episode. Other people might like it too. So thank you for watching this brand new episode. Of course, you can check out everything else Digital Chef, www.slicingdicinggaming.com. You can also check out the Facebook page, Digital Chef, all one word, no spaces. And always remember, slicing, dicing, gaming, not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.